Hello everyone, today me and my two friends Dhyan and Vidit are going to provide the presentation of our final project as a part of mobile application development course. So we have built a financial expense tracker app. So as you can see on the screen shared, this is the logo of the app. On the starting that we have the facility for login and sign up to provide a secure authentication. During the sign up, the user provides 5 information, which is the name, email address, a suitable username, a password, and a monthly budget which the user wants to set for himself. Once the user has successfully signed up, then we are redirect back to the login page, and after providing correct login credentials, we go back to the home page of our particular application. The home page is the particular transaction page. Then we go to the accounts page. In the accounts page, we have provided the facility for the user to add different types of account, like he or she can add a suitable debit card or credit card which they have used. Like for example, we are providing a MX credit card information. We can also provide different like a debit card or something like that also. This is just a resemblance or a remember to the user which particular mode of transaction was used by the user for a particular transaction. Then we can add various transactions. For example, we will be adding 2 transactions. We can take the suitable photo of the particular receipt to have a remember of what the transaction was about. Then we can add a suitable amount, and also we need to pick a suitable date for the transaction. We have provided 6 different categories for which the transaction can belong to, and the suitable account or the mode of payment to which the transaction was made. Like the particular fuel transaction has been added. Similarly, we can add another transaction, and the image, as you can see, is being clearly seen. So now we will be entering a transaction in which we will basically use the symbols of the by default category symbols which we have provided. So now when we save the transaction, a by default symbol is shown. Now we can go to the stats page to provide an insight to the user regarding the spending habits. So on the basis of the category, a suitable chart would be displayed showing the percentage of the total monthly expenditure corresponding to the category. Also there is on the basis of the payment mode, and we provide daily, monthly and yearly statistics also. When clicking on the suitable option, we can have an enhanced look of how the particular information is provided. Now we can go to the profile page.
Hello. Now we will be going to the profile page. So here you can see the first name and also the username of the person, and also the password and the budget and reward points. This is the reward system we have used for the monthly budget. If you are not crossing the monthly budget, then you will get a reward of 100 points, and if you are crossing, then you will get a minus 50 points. So now we can also edit the profile here, and we can just change my name to Vidit Gandhi. So like now it's saved and it's done. So we can go here, and now we can also do done. So now we can also log out, and then we can have the logout feature here. And also now we can, so now I will log in with a different person, that is Akhtir123. This user has regular transactions but has not added any transactions for today. So we can see that this transaction this user will get a notification as it is not added for today. So we will see at 5 o'clock, because we have set like every day 5 o'clock the user will get a notification that there is no expense added for today. And if your user has added an expense, then he or she won't get any notifications for that day. So now we can see that there is a notification about the monthly expense. And so also here we can just see that if we go to the monthly settings and if we go to yearly, we can see all these things. And if he is adding some transaction of above that, or if he exceeds the monthly budget, then he will get a notification that he is exceeding the monthly budget. See the over budget alert, you have spent more than your set monthly budget, because this shows that the user will get a notification if he overspends, and he can know that after this day I have to spend very less because I am overspending right now. So after this we can also do the logout process, and then we have the forgot password thing, which my friend will explain. So
Hi, I'm Dhyan Patel. I will be signing in with Dhyan 12 user, which is already created, but I'm clicking now on the forget password. So for the forget password, we have to enter the username, which a correct username. So it will send an verification OTP to the email which I had done in the sign up. And as you can see, an OTP has come in the Gmail, and after verifying the OTP, we can again create a new password, and the new password will be directly saved in the Firebase database. So like if I am logging again with the new password, so I will be logging in the new account. So after which so now we will be logging in with a dummy user which we have created. So in that you can see daily transactions which we have uploaded, on which on clicking on the image you can see the image. So you can scroll for monthly and yearly. We can do in the landscape mode also. So in the landscape mode it is working as it is shown, and clicking on the image is shown. And after that we have created stats page which consists a graphical pie chart of all the transaction types based on its category. On clicking on a particular category, we can see what was the type of that, like business. We have given a red color, and clicking on blue we get the groceries in the percentage form shown in the pie chart. And also we have done for a more payment mode type, like 61% was done in cash and other part was done in the credit card way. And so basically the last part of our app is we have implemented reward points for which will be coming on every last day of the month. So basically in April it will come on 30th April, the user gets 100 points if he had not exceeded the budget, and the 50 points deducted if he has exceeded the budget. So that's all. Thank you. That's all from our side.